Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two popular microphones for recording and streaming. We'll be looking at the blue Yeti Nano and the TECURS USB microphone. Before we dive in, please like this video, comment below with your favorite microphone, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Both microphones have excellent sound quality. The blue Yeti Nano offers a legendary blue broadcast sound and two custom mic capsules that give your voice exceptional presence and detail. On the other hand, the TECURS microphone has a built-in sound chipset, cardioid pickup pattern, 192 kHz, 24-bit high sampling rate, and 30 Hz to 20 kHz wide frequency response, making it capable of capturing clear and smooth sound. During our tests, we found both microphones to be great options for casual podcasting, streaming, and voiceovers. The blue Yeti Nano is priced at $79, while the TECURS USB microphone is priced at $43. Although the blue Yeti Nano is more expensive, it offers more features such as multiple pickup patterns and no latency monitoring. The TECURS microphone, however, is still a great budget option, especially for those who are just starting and want a reliable microphone that won't break the bank. Both microphones offer additional features that set them apart and appeal to different users. The blue Yeti Nano comes with the Blue VO CE software, which allows you to customize your broadcast vocal sound and apply advanced modulation and HD audio samples. It's also compatible with Yeti, Yeti Nano, and Yeti X. On the other hand, the TECURS microphone has a one-touch mute button, gain knob, and earphone monitor, enabling you to quickly control the volume of the microphone and monitor your voice efficiently. The blue Yeti Nano has a sleek and compact design that makes it easy to carry around and use on the go. It's also available in different colors to match your style. It's a bit heavy though, which might make it uncomfortable to hold for extended periods. The TECURS microphone, on the other hand, comes with a stable tripod stand that allows you to adjust its angle and height easily. It also has a double-layer acoustic filter and windproof foam cover to prevent bursting and improve recording quality. That's it for today's comparison between the blue Yeti Nano and the TECURS USB microphone. Overall, both microphones are great options for casual recording and streaming. If you're looking for the best sound quality and extra features, the blue Yeti Nano might be the way to go. But if you're on a budget and want a reliable microphone with good value, the TECURS USB microphone is a great option. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite microphone and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.